Next, we have a proclamation, and I see the Queen has arrived, so we can proceed with this proclamation. And we have a proclamation declaring July 27th through August 4th as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. And we inquire the President to accept the proclamation. I'm going to read a portion of it, and then I'm going to go down and present a framed copy of this proclamation to the Queen, and for members of the Commission who wish to join me in presenting this framed copy, please feel free to do so. Whereas Gullah Geechee people are descendants of enslaved Africans from various ethnic groups of West and Central Africa that were brought to build Chatham County and numerous small areas of the coastal empire wherein Gullah Geechee people still reside. And whereas the islands of Ossabaw, Hutchinson, Tybee, and beyond, as well as areas such as Yamacraw, Sandfly, Frogtown, Pinpoint, became the home of these African people who came to be known as Gullah Geechee. And whereas the largest enslavement auction in one day in the country came to be known as the Weeping Time. However, in spite of this crime against humanity, the Sea Island caused many strong and world-renowned Gullah Geechee to grow from its soil, such as founders of the historic churches in Chatham County, as well as Liberia. And whereas 20 ministers held a historic meeting in Savannah, the Chatham County, Georgia, and the Union Secretary of War, Edwin M. Stanton, and Major General William T. Sherman, leading to a land ownership, self-sufficiency, and sustaining of Gullah Geechee culture. Whereas Queen Quat, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, who became the first Gullah Geechee in the world to speak before the United Nations on behalf of the Gullah Geechee, established the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition on historic St. Helena Island in South Carolina to continue this work to sustain Gullah Geechee culture and land ownership. And as chairman and on behalf of the entire Chatham County Commission, we do hereby proclaim July 27th through August 4th as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Chatham County, and support the Gullah Geechee Sustainability Plan to protect our coast and to keep Gullah Geechee culture heritage alive. Queen, would you join me at the podium? Members of the commission,
yes, sir.
Can you? I was about to ask you. I was about to ask you if you knew that members of this commission was claiming you as family.
Antidote. That's our next specialist. He ain't gonna let none of the rest of y'all do it. He doing it.
Well, you may have to interpret your remarks
For this,
for the members of
then
the
you
youth
tell them
commission
that,
who are here.
look at it, tell them that it kept on and things like that, and they kept on everything else. Okay. What's going on, killer? How are you? Antidote. They wish they could. Please, how you doing? Good to see you. I know it's on the way back here. And not long ago. Yeah. So good morning, everybody. Glad to be back here in Chatham County and things like that one more again. And y'all lay on stand, the chairman tried to be slick and tried to blame him on the children, say I have to translate by the crack with he say he want me to translate them for him. But him blame him on them. Okay. I want to give one of greetings on behalf of Dr. Mary Marguerite too. He been here in the building, but he going on tour now, taking people around in the city, but make some more money for that millage rate and the ear tax and all the things y'all doing, add to the budget for the city. So we're so glad to be here one more again and things like that. I'm glad to see my family one more again and things like that. Every year I come here as a family reunion. So I want all of y'all, but that are my cousins there for sure. Okay. So yes, it is a blessing once again to be here in Chatham County and to celebrate with you. Now we moving close, Chairman, to the 10 years. So I'm gonna want one of them boxes at a couple of meetings coming up in the future here. We're getting close to 10 years that I've been toiling and working here with y'all, with this commission, with receiving this every year. And it is extraordinary to be in Savannah, cracking me teeth like this year. Because when I first started coming to Savannah, in a public arena, no one wanted to admit they were Gullah, Geechee. They would act very demure here. But if you got them underneath the oak tree in the park out yonder, they would have said, yeah, you not here from Boston till you bring me anything from home? All right, where you been home? Out the country. So y'all would like to call over in South Carolina and down in the southern parts of Georgia out in the country, as if this was the metropolis. So it is a blessing to be back in this part of the Gullah Geechee Nation that y'all call the Coastal Empire. And of course, if there's a queen, you know, you need a queen in the empire, right? And so it's a blessing to be welcomed back. It's a blessing to be here to celebrate who we be. And so every year, folks come out to numerous events. I hope this year y'all will join us in many of them. And if you want to keep up, because we have a plethora of events up and down the Gullah Geechee Nation's coast for this year. So if you want to keep up, follow at Gullah Geechee on Twitter and Instagram, and Gullah Geechee Nation on Facebook, or GullahGeecheeNation.com. That way you'll know all the events that are here in Chatham County, the ones in South Carolina, the ones in Florida, and so on. I just got back from Barbados as of Sunday. And so I definitely bring you greetings from our family there as well. This was our first Gullah Geechee official homecoming back to Barbados since they said the teeth we had thrown young in Carolina and now spread out all the seed with the Gullah Geechee now. And so I definitely wanted to bring you greetings back on behalf of their government to your government. Because at first they told me I had to be here Monday morning. I was like, Lord, it's only because I love Chatham County. I'm going to try to get up there early to get there that Monday after flying back Sunday night. But then they said, sorry, Queen, oops, it's Friday. So that was even better. But no matter what time of day it would have been, I would be here because there's so much love when I get here. So I appreciate your family. Keep on doing the outstanding work that you're doing. And it is definitely a blessing for Chatham County to recognize who we be. We be Gullah Geechee, anointed people. Peace and love, everyone.
Thank you, Queen Quarry. Always honored to have you join us, and we appreciate all the work you do on behalf of my ancestors, the Gullah Geechee.